So, we've been exploring the importance of using the external world to help us develop our internal awareness, interoception, our connection to our physical and internal sensations, and having a deep awareness of that. This is really critical because it helps us navigate the world, respond to data and stimuli, and it can even help us in making decisions. I just had a client who, in developing this capacity for the first time in her life, was able to actually sit down and just be with her body and feel into her body as she considered whether she wanted to continue dating this person or not. In the past, all of that choosing was coming from the place of, are they into me? Do they want me? Do they want to go out with me? And not ever really pausing to check in to see if she wanted to be in the relationship, and ignoring cues from her body and ignoring those internal sensations. And so by being able to slow down and use some interoception, she was really able to feel into whether this relationship felt like a good step for her to continue exploring it. So today, we're going to continue thinking about how we can use external sensation to increase our connection with our internal awareness. And we're going to do a sensory sensitization. No, I can't say it every time. I practiced before you all. I still can't say it. Sensory sensitization training. Okay? Try to say that 5 times fast. All right. So to do this exercise, you're going to need to pick up a little object. Okay? So this is going to be my little object. Look at him. Isn't he a cute little grubby? I got him at the Renaissance Fair last year. I think he just makes me laugh and giggle. All right. So you want something that fits into your palm. Okay? Needs to be able to be gripped in your palm. Nothing too big. All right. So grab an object, pause this, come back, but make sure you have an object that you can use for this exercise, because I'm going to take you step by step through this particular one. Okay? All right. So what I want you to do is put your object down, and then you're going to pick it up with your right hand, and you're going to place it in your left palm. And if you need to grip it, you can, or you can just keep your palm open. Now, I want to invite you, if you feel comfortable and safe, to close your eyes. We're going to take sight sensory information away so that we can tune in to other sensations more easily. Start to move the object around in your left hand. Just allow your fingers and your thumb to touch the various parts of it, and really start to notice its shape. Is it a circle? Is it a square? Is it a rectangle? Is it a funky shape? Is it made up of different shapes? Just start to stay with this particular awareness of shape, focusing just on that. Now notice the size of the object. Focus just here on the size. Start to notice the weight of the object. Yeah, is it light? Is it heavy? What's the weight? And really focus all of your awareness on trying to sense the weight that's in your palm. Feel the gravity of that object pressing into your palm. Let's start to notice texture. Is it smooth? Is it rough? Is it both? Is it bumpy? Is it fuzzy? Start to pay close attention to the texture. Finally, gently squeeze the object and notice any effect that this might have on it. Feel the pressure on your fingers, even if there isn't any give. Just feeling how your fingers give as it presses into a hard surface. Or notice if it's something soft, how the object itself changes shape. Now gently open your eyes, and you're going to use your right hand to remove the object from your left hand and just set it down. And keep your left palm open, facing upward, and then position your right hand in the same way. Now with these empty palms facing upward, start to check in with each hand, and you might close your eyes again here, noticing any sensations or experiences. Like I can notice my left hand has a little bit of warmth from having held that object, the transfer of the energy. My right hand is a little colder. Just notice if there are any traces of the object in your left hand, if it feels different from your right hand. Now, one more time, you might need to open your eyes. You're going to pick up the object and place it back in your left hand. And just take another moment to sense it, be with it, notice how it feels. Beautiful. And then setting the object down again, palms up again. Just allow your awareness to move back and forth from palm to palm. Really bring all of your energy and focus to your left hand. And then all of your energy and focus to your right hand. And notice any similarities or any differences. Cool. Good work. Wonderful and great to repeat this exercise, but reverse it. Put the object into your right hand, close, repeat, listen through again, and repeat that exercise, okay? So again, this is a fun way to start to sensitize. One of the things that's really true about trauma and abuse is we become desensitized. We don't want to feel, we don't want to take in data around us. Everything might feel overwhelming or too much. And so desensitization is in many ways a survival tactic for those of us who've experienced abuse. And so a big part of interoception is kind of like turning the lights back on, turning the senses back on. Can I smell again? Can I hear again? Can I taste again? Can I feel again? And so this exercise is just a really easy, simple way to start creating that, developing that. So as always, if you have questions, comments, ahas, share them with me. I'd love to hear from you. And until next time, take good care of you.